So I think that the skills, like when I think about the community members that I work with, I think that and this maybe is really specific to working with Indigenous people, but part of the skills or the attributes or the knowledge that I would want to see, that I think is important for them, is for them to know that what they have to say really matters, that they do have expertise, that their expertise is actually far greater than, you know, the outside researcher's expertise who comes into their community. And I think that's a really important for them to know, that their voice, that they have a lot to offer, that actually we can't make any difference to their health and interventions to improve their health if we don't hear their voice. So I think that's the main thing, is that, like, I don't think they need to understand all the research methods and, you know, all the details of those skills. There's a lot of knowledge there, that expertise there, but I don't think they need to know that I think it's really, I think that they need to, if they want to know it, and they need to understand that there's a process and systematic processes and all those things. But the most important thing, I think, is that for people to understand that their voice matters, and that they are the experts, and that what they have to say is important, and that it will be considered by the researcher. So back to what is the expertise that the researcher needs, or the attributes, and that is really listening and hearing, not just giving, you know, lip service to get that patient on the research team, so that you can say that you've got a patient participation, but actually listening to what they say and incorporating it. You know, that's where the combining the patient's voice with the research expertise, that is the researchers. That's a skill that needs to come from the researcher, and that's not easy either, because you often have really, you know, you've got your own ideas when you're going in to do research on how you think the research is going to go. But then now you've got this other voice.